Hi guys! Let's try Petra's Kitchen and Cafe dito sa Sitio Lingunan, Barangay Partida, Norzagaray, Bulacan. Pagpasok pa lang, bubungad na sa'yo ang spacious parking, bonggang alfresco dining at overlooking view. This place is elegant with an awesome vibe, kaya ideal ito for those who want a chill night out. Meron din silang live band kaya hindi ka maiinip habang nag-iintay ng food. The food can be expensive pero sulit naman. We ordered sweet and sour fish, pansit bihon, bagnet kare-kare, whole fried chicken at saka tinry ko tong triple chocolate na frap. Favorite namin tong bagnet kare-kare kasi bukod sa malambot, crispy yung balat niya. Ang dami kong nakain yan guys. Considering the quality, I think the price is reasonable naman. At ito na nga yung bill. Taran! It's a great experience, kaya sure na babalik kami dito. Magbabasag na lang muna kami ng alkansya. Bye!